How to draw the UCLA logo. We are going to start by drawing a line that looks somewhat like a cane. This will be for part of the outline of our U. Then connecting to the bottom of that, we are going to draw a curved line. This will be the bottom part of the U. Then we are going to draw the rest of the outline of our U. For this, we are going to start back where we drew the cane shape, and we are going to draw a curved line going here that goes down and then back up. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now from the top of that straight line on the right side of our U, we are going to draw a curved line at the top and then a straight line going downwards that will be for the right side of our U. And at the bottom of that straight line, we are going to draw a small curved line that will go upwards. Great job! Then we are going to draw a small curved line that is going to go right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. We are all done drawing the U. Next, we are going to draw the C. For this, we are going to start by drawing the bottom of the C by drawing a curved line connecting to that bottom curved line we drew at the end for our U. Then picking up where we left off, for the top outline of our U, we are going to draw a curved line going right here for the top outline of our C. And at the end of this curved line, we are going to curve it inwards towards the left. Then connecting to that, we are going to draw a very small C shape connecting to that curved line that goes inwards towards the left. Awesome job! Now for the final curved line of our C, we are going to start near that small C and draw a curved line going right here. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw hub crew. We are all done drawing the C. Next, we are going to draw the L. For this, we are going to draw a curved line for the bottom part of our L. This will be similar to the one that we drew for the bottom part of our C. Nice job! Now we are going to draw the left outline of our L. For this, we are going to draw a curved line that goes upwards, going right here. Then from the top of that line, we are going to draw a curved line going around to the right a little bit that curves back downwards and goes towards the left. And from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a small curved line that goes to the right. This will be the end of our L, except for the small part that we are going to go back and add at the end. Awesome job! Now to begin drawing the A, we are going to draw a curved line connecting to the bottom line of the L. This is going to be similar to the bottom outline of the C and L. Then from the top line of the outline of the L, we are going to draw a curved line going upwards and to the right. This will be for the top outline of our A. Then for the right side of our A, we are going to draw a small hook shape connecting to that curved line on the top, similar to the one that we drew at the beginning of our U. Nice job! Now from the bottom of this, we are going to draw a small curved line going upwards. Then from the top of that, we are going to draw a curved line going towards the right that curves downwards, connecting to the bottom outline of our A. Awesome job! We are almost finished, but first we are going to draw an oval shape inside of our A right here, and then another shape right here inside of our L. This is how to draw the UCLA logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and if you want to see our drawing all colored in, then stick around until the end. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.